Alright, guys, here also. How you guys doing? So I was just checking if you can see it from the system. I'm not sure. So here, what is the problem? I'm not sure. It's just a database. It's just a database. It's just a database. I haven't completed anything yet. So, for example, if else if, so if you do this database, do this database, I did my age, this is the age dot equals 24. Did I do the printing? I didn't do the printing. And here is age. Right, it is 23, correct? Undefined is has to be list. Then you define this. Then you need to do defining dimension or uh, yes, uh, and okay, you need to define and then you declare for whatever it is. So what is this? Undefined or no, not undefined. Okay. So now you do this. Okay. Enter the value. I don't care. So this is the year 45. So how is it coming into this and verifying, declaring for now certification? So this is really a problem. Okay, guys, if you guys know anything about this, please comment on this and tell me what's going on. Thank you.